English, feelings, emotions, and human states. Happy. Happy. Angry. Angry. Sad. Sad. Sick. Sick. Scared. Scared. Surprised. Surprised. Loved. Loved. Relaxed. Relaxed. Disgusted. Disgusted. Hungry. Hungry. Quiz time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How does he feel? Angry or sad? Sad. How does she feel? Disgusted or hungry? Disgusted. How does he feel? Sick or happy? Happy. How does she feel? Loved or relaxed? Relaxed. How does she feel? Hungry or surprised? Hungry. How does he feel? Scared or angry? Angry. How do they feel? Loved or disgusted? Loved. How does he feel? Sad or scared? Scared. How does he feel? Sick or happy? Sick. How does she feel? Angry or surprised? Quiz time. Surprised. Don't forget to like and subscribe.